Del Shannon and Runaway here on BBC Radio Suffolk. What a Malcolm in Manningtree winning our ugly moment today in tickets for the International Polo event here at Trinity Park. Tomorrow and also on Friday. Now this is very exciting. We're going to do, I think, the Morse code for the very first time. A message two words. So have a listen, and if you can work out what the message is, it must be you at home in the car, wherever you are. Two words, quite familiar to me, and Dave's got the oscillator thing here to do the oscillator. Is that what I call it? The Morse key. The Morse key. Thank you. The Morse key. He's got the Morse key here, and he's going to do it. So have a listen. This is a message to you. It's two words.
Ladies and gentlemen, the BBC at World War I at home here at the Suffolk Show 2014, and we will be bringing some more guests for you very, very soon, especially a lovely lady called Melanie Donnelly from the Imperial War Museum. But before we do all that, I'm also going to be making sure that we don't interfere with the helicopter display which is taking place in the next couple of minutes or so. You may, if you're outside at the moment looking at the sky, you can see it flying around. But before that, the question is, how did Britain allow 250,000 children to fight in World War I? Well, when it broke out in 1914, Germany already had a huge army, nearly 4 million strong.
If you know what we said to you, it's a little message from me to you from the Suffolk Show via Morse. First time we've ever done that on the base show. So if you can recognise those two words, then give us a shout out.
2.5 million people signed up. About a quarter of a million of those new recruits were boys and not men. You had to be 19 to fight on the front line, and thousands lined up, and they lied about their age as well. So knowing that there was a high chance of death and being taken prisoner, as they do it, BBC Radio 1's Greg James has been looking into it.
Long before radio. I'd be interested to see if anybody listening can translate it. Maybe some Morse code operators are listening from that's gone by. Thank you very much for that. 01473212121 or 81333. Start your text with SFK. If you know the little message we've sent to you at home, at work, in your car, in your lorry, wherever you are, via Morse code. You've got a cue. I'll disappear and let you get on.